So this is XAUUSD analysis for Monday the 2nd of July. Now let's just have a look at them prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we did see a somewhat counter-trend move here. It did stop at the 12.55, didn't quite get up towards that 12.63.15 where we did have the other confluence of the 200 period moving average. What we did see was prices turn around at that 12.55, from which we have seen the sell side momentum take us back below the 12.51.43, and we've had prices trade beyond the 12.51.43 and towards the mid 12.40s. So if we do see that sell side momentum persist, as we have in this prior trend, possibly looking for a move down towards that 12.43.13, successful break from which we're looking for a key important level of that 12.36.47. 12.36.47, but beyond that, we are possibly looking for beyond that 12.36.47, possibly looking for a move down towards that 12.33 here on the XAUUSD. If, however, we do see a counter trend move to the upside, either from where we are at present or possibly after finding support at the 12.43, we're looking for a retest of that 12.51.43. If we can successfully break and hold 12.51.43, we'll look to see 12.55 where we've previously encountered resistance, but beyond that we're looking for a move towards that 12.63.15 and possibly up towards that 12.70.10. What we'll do now is have a brief look here at the daily chart, the higher time frames, to see how prices are developing. So we head over here to the monthly chart, and as we can see here on this monthly chart, the degree of bullishness that we had before has somewhat waned, and we did have our lows, higher lows, and prices were starting to trend to the upside slowly. But more recently we've seen a turnaround in the past couple of months, and we've seen a pullback here. We've posted a series of pin bars, and we've seen a degree of bearishness re-enter the market. Pretty strong bearish month last month, closing near the very lows of the candle of the month, and so there's possibility of seeing some follow through here to the downside on the XAUUSD. What we'll do now is have a brief look here at the weekly time frame. So here on this weekly time frame of the XAUUSD, and we can see here we've had prices encounter the 400 period average sell off, 400 sell off again. We've seen a series of encounters with the 400 period average result in subsequent sell offs in the XAUUSD. If we were to draw a rough trend line here on the XAUUSD, we've had a couple of tests, and now we've seen a subsequent consolidation and breakdown from this overall trend, which was to the upside on the XAUUSD on a weekly time frame perspective. So if we do see that fall through to the downside from this weekly time frame perspective, the very next level of note is in around that 12.32. In around that 12.32, we do also have the 200 period moving average on this weekly time frame, which acts as a bit of a confluence, thus increasing likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce. And finally, we'll have a look here at the daily chart of the XAUUSD. Over on the daily chart of the XAUUSD, we get scale line here correct, and as we can see here, the very next level of note is this 12.36. So from which we did see previously quite a bit of buy side momentum. So again, down towards that 12.36.47, we are looking to see whether we do see a bit of a bullish bounce from that 12.36.47 here on the XAUUSD. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the XAUUSD analysis. Thanks for watching.